illustration deals with protection for hydromassage tubs in accordance with 680.71. Now, for example, if you wanted to know about the fixtures and the luminaires in this bathroom or area where the hydromassage tub is, excuse me, then we would go to figure 11-33 for that information. And then notice, right coming out the gate of this hydromassage tub, the pump motor should be accessible in accordance with 430.14a as well as 680.73. The receptacles that you see there within 6 foot of that sink, they would have to be GFCI protection because it's a bathroom in accordance with 210.8A1. Then you'd have a little accessible trap door. And usually when you open up that little door, you don't need a tool or anything. You just open it up, have easy access. And within 1 foot of the door when you open it would be where you'd cord and plug connect your GFCI. Where I read the code, that'd be considered readily accessible because you didn't need a hand tool to gain access as the definition points out in Article 100. Now look at the receptacle location to the left. It's over 6 foot. Even the door opens in the direction of the receptacle. It's not within 6 foot of the tub. So notice what the note says about this. Receptacle located within 6 foot of the hydromassage tub should be GFCI protected and readily accessible, even if installed in an area considered a bathroom, not considered necessarily a bathroom. And then if we wanted to get all the information about that receptacle, its installation, its protection, and so forth, then note that we have 3 bullets to look at. 210.52D as in dog, 210.8A9, and 680.71. And any of the wiring methods that you see in chapters 1 through 4 in accordance with 680.72 can be used to wire this hydromassage tub. So this deals with the location maybe of a receptacle in such an area, and we'll see more about this hydromassage tub as we move on through these figures. But this figure 10-36 is showing these receptacles located by the sink and one over 6 foot from the hydromassage tub. And basically what I'm trying to point out here, or the illustration's pointing out, a hydromassage tub in a bathroom is still considered a bathroom, which a hydromassage tub or just a regular tub, which wouldn't have a hydromassage tub's characteristics.